What's going on, guys? Back with Noswad Vlogs, episode 8. Got some new settings on the cam, quality-wise, so let me know what you guys think. It's supposed to be a lot more dynamic, like supersonic speed, you know? But, yeah. Let's get into it. Damn, I'm already fucking... Ew! Alright, let's go. Jump up. Woo! Corner. Oh, damn! Oh, man! That was a sheriff. What you gonna do, bitch? Nothing. You're slow. Flip this thing around real quick. Alright, so what's going on, guys? So I had made this video this last weekend or something like that, last Wednesday, or I don't know, whatever it was. But yeah, none of my audio recorded, so it was weird. I got home, I went to switch my battery out because it died before I needed the intro to get the intro done, and that audio worked just fine, but everything else, like this part, didn't record. So I was like, what the heck? But yeah, it might be a little too dark right now for this quality, but we'll see. But appreciate it, homie. But yeah, I switched up my settings a bit. I got another YouTuber that I have been following for quite some time now, and he's got really good quality, and he's only on a Hero 10 and I got a Hero 11, so it should be just a tad bit more better, a tad bit better. But yeah, it's just supposed to make it look, I don't have any stabilization on anymore, so everything's gonna look more like user inputted rather than you know, just smooth, I guess. Which some people like the smooth. I like the smooth, but this makes it look like I'm actually going the speed that I'm going, where with smooth on I could be doing 100 and it doesn't really look like I'm doing 100. But yeah, gonna kind of just rip up the hill up here, give you guys some footage. I'll quit talking. Let's go. Bird. sun will sneak up on you. Oh, I'm almost scraping. Another sharp corner. Woo! I took it way too wide. Gotta apex it. Hold that line. Oh man, woohoo! Took that corner way too fast. I got my tinted visor on, so everything comes at me a lot quicker. Get a little wheelie in for oh man, up too late. Over the bridge. Oh yeah. Whoop, whoop, whoop. I've almost ate it off this corner before. It's such a sharp corner. Little story time. I had a buddy a couple years ago when we all first started riding. We came up here and he crashed his bike. We're going over on a straight. It's actually up here. I'll show you guys in a minute. But going on a nice straight into a corner. Didn't really know how to judge the corner coming in so hot. Locked his rear brake up trying to brake through the corner and sent it off the edge. Hit the wall of the dirt mound. I'll show you guys in here in a second. Flew through a sign, like the middle of it, below, like where the posts are. Managed to go through them and went like 15-20 feet past the sign. It's pretty crazy. Definitely a little sketchy. He ended up rebuilding the bike, rode it maybe a couple times, and then sold it. It really messed up his back. He broke his I don't even remember what it was called, his vertebrae or something. Something like not really massive, but like enough to where like he was down for a month and a half, 2 months. So right here, came into this corner, hit the wall right there, went through that sign, and ended up like right here somewhere. He could have went over the edge, would have died. It was sketchy. Come around the corner and I just see dust. I don't know, I was in front of him. I look back and I see dust go flying. I was like, no! Turn around and there his bike was. But me and the homies used to come up here all the time. Grab a Twisted on the way up. Get a little chill sesh, talk, hang out. But look at this, man. Look at this view. So nice. Look at this. Sheesh. So we got two lakes up here. We got this one and the one below down at by town. This one's just up in the mountains. But yeah, we come up here all the time. Back when the buddies were on Groms still. ride up here. We'd go scavenge for big rocks and throw them down, roll them down the hill and see if they would hit the water. Good times, man. Well, I'm gonna turn around. It's kind of late. Still gotta make dinner. Catch you guys back on the road, alright? Let's go. Man, it's warm. It's almost 8 o'clock and it's still like 70 degrees outside right now. It's good. Damn, that guy's slow. I passed him a long time ago. Man, I just washed my bike. It's gonna be all full of bugs. That's the only bad thing about riding at this time is all the bugs you get out here with all the trees, the grass, the fields, all the logging areas. It's only downside about living in the country. Damn, dude, that sun is just bright and it's coming through the trees and it's like making my eyesight all messed up. Interesting song choice. Sleep Token, where you at? Feral Friday, 4 more days? Question mark? I need to learn how to put music on my videos. I don't care if they're copyright or whatever. It's not like I'm trying to get money off of this. Like, I don't care. If anybody knows how to... So, for say I want to take... Can I just record audio from a YouTube video? Open up OBS, record audio, use that audio clip on my video? I think I can do that. Let me know down in the comments. I'm pretty sure one of you guys gotta know. But yeah, because I'd like to have like this song right now, Ascensionism by Sleep Token, just overlay, like kind of turned down, but over all my writing, like when I'm just, you know, no talking, just hauling. It'd be pretty satisfying. I know there's an easy way to do it, and like I said, I don't care about the whole copyright thing. Like, obviously it's gonna get copyrighted if I put music on without going to Artlist or Epidemic Sound, which I do plan on doing eventually when I start getting more in depth with my editing, but I don't really care about that right now. I just want to throw some videos together, put some music on it, and put it on YouTube, so you guys can have something to watch and jam out at the same time. Because music on writing videos makes it so much better. Unless I like got external mics put in my backpack so you guys can hear the exhaust sound. I will do that eventually, so I can have that sound from the back where it's not in my mouth right now. So you can hear the exhaust better and more clear. But yeah, I have a feeling this footage is gonna be a little too dark because I'm running ND16 filter when I should have probably put on the 32. Well, I could have probably turned up my white balance, or my ISO, not white balance. I do have it at 1600 max, so I should be fine through here. I have a feeling it's gonna be a little dark though. Do a little wheelie. Alright. Another one. Easy mode, easy mode. Man, I'm gonna have to start wearing earplugs or something. I'm thinking my ears are getting all messed up. It's all them years of working in the mill. Planers and resaws and... Ugh. It's my right ear too, that's all a little bit less deafened and more sensitive. Alright, well, I'm gonna head back down and I'll catch you guys at the bottom. I'll show you the other lake when I get down, and yeah, that'll be the end of the video there. So yeah, alright, I'll catch y'all down there in like 5 minutes. Alright, we're back down. So yeah, this is the other lake I was telling y'all about. It's one closer to home. But yeah, it's pretty sick. We got nice little cruises around the lake you can do. I mean, we got everything right here. We got rivers, we got lakes, we got ponds, mountain biking, hiking, fishing, whatever you want to do. Man, I sound tired as hell. That's a dead squirrel. But let's see. Not really anything else I can do today. I'm gonna get a fresh start tomorrow. I'm gonna get another video done. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of the new quality. Is it nice and dynamic-y? Dynamic. Yeah. Let me know if you want me to go back to the other settings or if you guys like this one better. I personally think this will look better. I'm also running it in vibrant color scheme with a 12-bit color instead of 8. So I bumped it up. So it should be a lot more vibrant and clear than what it was before. So what's up, brother? But yeah, that's gonna do it for me today, guys. I'll catch you all in the next one. Man, we already almost did 10 of these. Next one will be 9, and then we'll be at 10. I'll definitely have 9 and 10 done this week. So, but yeah, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch y'all tomorrow. Well, for me, it'll be tomorrow. But yeah, alright, peace out, y'all.